Okay, class 6 boys, we are continuing with episode number 2 on integers. So what I'm going to teach you today is the addition of integers. There are 3 things that you have to keep in mind. The first one over here, I've written it in short for you. Positive numbers added with positive numbers. So when both of them are positive, we must always remember that the answer is going to be positive. I'll give you an example for it. Let's say we've got positive 7 plus or positive 5. So what I'm telling you is, when both the integers are positive, the answer we get will always be positive. Then simply add the two numbers 7 and 5, that should give you 12. Or when we write plus 12, we can simply write it as 12. It's understood that it's a positive integer. The second one. Here we have a negative number added with another negative number will always give you a negative answer. Let's take an example. Negative 5 added with negative 3. Now you can see that both of them are negative. So what I'm telling you is answer will always be negative. What you got to remember is add the two numbers 5 and 3 will give you 8. Looking at the third one. Now here you have to be a little more careful. One is a positive number, one is a negative number. The answer could be either positive or negative depending on the sum that we come across. So as I give the example, I give you the explanation also. Let's say we've got positive 10 added to a negative 6. What we got to keep in mind is, first of all, see, one is positive, one is negative. Always look at the sign of the bigger number. The bigger numerical, with the numerical value will be 10, because 10 is bigger than 6 and 10 has a positive value. So my answer is going to be positive. That this time we have to subtract the numbers. So 10 minus 6 will give you 4. Another example for the same. Let's say we've got positive 3 added to a negative 8. Now this time 8 is the one which is bigger and 3 is the smaller one, and 8 has a negative sign, so you take the negative sign, then you subtract the number. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. Thank you.